In this video, I'm going to tell you about the Latex for Less affiliate program. So Latex for Less is a mattress company and they also make pillows and a bunch of other stuff related to sleep. And so they make all natural products that are really high quality and environmentally friendly. They're also really affordable and super comfortable as well. So I'm going to show you how much money you can make if you become an affiliate for them and someone actually clicks your link and makes a purchase. Make sure you watch this video to the end because I think there's a better category of products that you can become an affiliate for that will make you way more money than promoting mattresses. So I'm going to show you the category of product that I'm talking about, as well as how much money I made by creating really short, simple videos on the channel that you're watching right now. I'm going to reveal those videos and I'm also going to show you how much money I made. Now let's look at the Latex for Less affiliate program. So if we go to the affiliate site, you can see they're partnered with ShareASale, which is an affiliate marketing platform. It's a network, and so you will earn a 10% commission for every mattress, and you will get your commission 90 days after the delivery. So on $1,000 mattress, you can make $100 in commissions, which is a lot of money. So Latex for Less has a great affiliate program. Now, the really cool thing about mattress affiliate programs is that you can actually make a crazy amount of money with it. So if you look at this little channel right here, it only has, 73,000 subscribers, 488 videos. Now 73,000 subscribers might sound like a lot to you, but on social media and on YouTube, this is nothing crazy considering that they've been around for 5 years. Now, if you actually check how many views this channel gets per month, we can do that here on Social Blade. Type in the name. We can see they're pulling in about 65,000 views a month, which again isn't necessarily a lot. Obviously, we all know about YouTube channels that are pulling in millions of views a month. Now, I feel like most people, you probably don't think you can actually make money from this unless you're like a huge influencer like Mr. Beast with like hundreds of millions of followers and subscribers, or you have to have super viral videos that get hundreds of thousands, if not millions of views to make real money from this. But is that really true?
Hell no! No!
So you might not be impressed with 65,000 unless you do a little bit of math, which I'm going to show you right here. So if we look right here, if they're getting 65,000 views in a month, right? And these are highly targeted views. These are people that are actually searching for different mattresses. They're reviewing different mattresses and they're including their affiliate links. So if you click on this link, for example, here, you can see they're reviewing this mattress called the Wink Bed Plus. And so they've got their affiliate link right here. And so if they're only getting 65,000 views, and let's say less than 1%, let's say 0.5% of people. So, times 0.005. If only 0.5% of people that watch the video actually end up making a purchase every single month, that's 325 sales that they're generating as an affiliate. And if we take an average, as we took the average order value before of $1,600, if they get a 10% commission, that's $160 per mattress. So we multiply this by 160. That's $52,000 a month that they could be making in commissions, and likely a lot more since they're a dedicated mattress channel. So they're probably getting a pretty high conversion rate, and they're probably also getting a higher commission rate. So you can make more than a full-time income as an affiliate for mattress programs, but there's better ways to make money. So let's talk about that. I actually used a really unique strategy to set myself up with recurring commissions without creating any viral videos or even showing my face. So let me show you some actual proof so you can better understand what I mean. So here's my dashboard for ScaleNut, which is a content creation platform that uses AI to help people with their SEO so that you can get found in search results. As you can see, with just 11 clicks on my affiliate link, I got one person to sign up to ScaleNut, and this one sign up has already made me almost $90 in commissions. Now this says unpaid earnings because they had a minimum threshold of $50, which it didn't meet last month. So in this payment cycle, this money will actually get released to me. Now 89 bucks might now sound like a lot of money until you look at the videos on my channel that actually led to this result. These are some of the videos that I posted on my channel: Show Me Software, ScaleNut versus Jasper, only 15 views, 24 views, 10 views, 2 views, right? 3 views, 7 views. So I have like about 10 or so videos about ScaleNut posted, and mostly they're very short videos, like 2-minute videos, and they have very, very few views. And that has already made me almost $90 in commissions. Now, the person who signed up, as long as they stay subscribed to ScaleNut's subscription plan, every single month I'm going to earn about $45. So this number is going to continue to go up most likely. Now imagine scaling this strategy up and having dozens or even hundreds of super short videos on your channel, each with an affiliate link. You can stack your monthly commissions and start making life-changing income way faster than most people realize. Now the problem is that most people don't understand the strategies to actually have a successful affiliate marketing business, because you can't just spam random content and throw your affiliate link around everywhere if you want to make serious money. So what's the best way to actually learn affiliate marketing if you're a complete beginner? Well, I would recommend Legendary Marketer. This is the homepage of Legendary Marketer. As you can see, this is an online marketing education company, and the main guy behind the program is this guy named David Sharp, or Dave Sharp. He's the CEO and founder. And if you read his story, it's actually really motivating. This guy was, he dropped out of high school. He was a teenage father. He got into substance abuse at a very early age, and his life was in shambles. He didn't know what he was doing until he discovered that you can actually make money online with affiliate marketing. And so he went down that rabbit hole, and after many years, he eventually learned the tricks. He learned how to actually make real money online with affiliate marketing, and that's how he founded Legendary Marketer, which is easily one of the best affiliate marketing or starting an online business training programs on the entire internet. It's super popular and tons of people talk about it and use it. They're on a mission to help people start a new business or grow their existing online business with the cutting edge marketing strategies. And so if you actually look at their products, they offer lots of different products for coaching and training. They have a 5-day learn, launch, lead challenge where you actually learn how to actually get started and setting up your business in just 5 days. There's nothing like it. It's going to save you countless hours, weeks, months, and even years of sifting through tons of random useless information online. They're going to give you training every single day. You can also meet with an advisor one-on-one and get your questions answered. And at the end of the challenge, you're going to be equipped with the knowledge and confidence to put everything you learned into action. So you can actually get started using the training on Legendary Marketer. I've actually included the link to the 5-day challenge in the description of this video. It is extremely affordable. If you click start the challenge, you can see it's only $5. You're going to learn tips and tricks from a legend. This guy has made, David Sharp, the founder, has made over $200 million in sales online through affiliate marketing and course sales. So you're learning from the best. Now, on top of the 5-day learn, launch, lead challenge, Legendary Marketer offers various different products that you can actually purchase. So they've got the Marketers Club, which is a weekly webinar where they have marketing coaches and experts from all over the world and different skills with different experiences, and they share the most cutting edge, up-to-date information on how you can become a better marketer and make more money. So that's a subscription that you can purchase. It's very affordable. They also offer a business blueprint that can give you step-by-step instructions for setting up your business as an affiliate marketer. So that's like super detailed, and you get lots of specific information with the technology and software that you need as well. And so they've got a bunch of other products. They've got coaching and consulting as well, so you can actually directly get coaching from their experts. They have events and masterminds. So they've got a lot of information. They've got lots of different products for you. And if you start with the 5-day learn, launch, lead challenge, then really you have the skills that you need to be able to go forward and pursue any kind of marketing business that you want to start. You're going to have the fundamentals, and it's just the best place to start, in my opinion. Now let me actually show you what it looks like inside the learn, launch, lead challenge. Once you sign up using the link in the description, this is what my login page looks like. And as you can see, this is the challenge. It goes from day 1 all the way to day 5. And there's a ton of content. So you've got these videos right here. You get assignments every day. You get some information and free tips and a bunch of other stuff. You get a free trial to a software that they use, right? And if you look at day 2, then you can actually book a call that's completely free with a business plan advisor, a real person you can get on a phone call with, a video call, and you can actually talk to them, bounce off ideas, and get advice and help from them. Again, completely free. And if you look at day 3, you learn about how to lead with confidence as as you want to run your digital marketing business. You get a bunch of free hooks. You get a social media scheduler that you can actually sign up for and use. Day 4, you learn about mindset, how to actually think like an entrepreneur if you want to be successful in this business. And day 5 is just more templates and more information. There's a business plan class that you can actually take to learn more. So this is what the 5-day challenge looks like with Legendary Marketer. It's really, really good. I think it's extremely worth it if you're new to the whole making money online and if you want some extra time, location, and financial freedom in your life. You can also see that they have a lot of reviews. They have 258 reviews with an average of 4.6 rating on Trustpilot, and they are a verified company with most reviews that are 5 stars. So Legendary Marketer is really useful if you're serious about making money with affiliate marketing, and you can use the link in the description to get started for just $5. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.